Welcome back to our FLOTT channel for another video. Today I want to showcase our new Classic Series control panel and illustrate the wide range of functions and possibilities it provides. From the home screen, you can read all current and important machine parameters such as rotation direction, speed, and current drilling depth. The machine can be powered on or off using the 4 touch buttons positioned in the corners. You have the option to set the reference point and select from 3 processing modes, including the drilling mode with manual feed using the drill cross. This is the drilling mode with automatic feed, and the tapping mode. Additionally, you will find a touch button here that allows you to access the machine menu. In manual drilling mode, the operator can easily control the feed using the feed cross. If desired, you can set the reference point and simply enter the desired target drilling depth via touch. And then, while in operation or during the drilling process, you should constantly check the current drilling depth against the desired depth, allowing you to guarantee that you never drill deeper than intended. In automatic feed drilling mode, you can set both the target drilling depth and the desired feed speed without steps. The predefined drilling process then starts by pressing the feed button on the feed cross. After reaching the entered target depth, the machine automatically retracts from the hole and returns to its home position. The threading mode can also be programmed very easily. Initially, you need to set the reference point here as well. After that, you can simply enter the desired threading depth. Input it. Now, the machine automatically reverses direction upon reaching the target threading depth and starts the retraction and exit from the threaded hole automatically. For semi-automated or complex drilling tasks, the machine menu panel provides all supplementary functions. We have a free cutting device, for example. This ensures a uniform and clean drilling base and serves for additional chip removal after the actual drilling process. In this operational mode, you are able to indicate the duration of time spent at the drilling base once the hole is completed. If you want to drill materials with very poor chip breakage, which would create long and dangerous flow barriers, you can use our chip break mode. Simply provide the machine with a Z value in millimeters, after which it should break the chips. You can also indicate how many rotations the machine should hold during operation. Confirm the parameters with the OK button. Now you can start the machine using the push button, allowing it to automatically create the hole using the chip break cycle. For optimal and time-efficient processing of special workpieces that, for example, have not been executed multiple times, the machine offers you the programmable jump switching feature. You can program 4 different work hills with freely selectable feed rates. This is the perfect solution for swiftly maneuvering towards a workpiece, like a pipe or profile. Then, using a work feed, create the hole in the first wall of the pipe. Subsequently, to once again approach the second pipe wall via expedited methods, so that drilling through the second wall can be performed again with a working feed. For example, if you need to reclamp the workpiece after each drilling operation during series production, the spindle shop function could provide you with additional safety and time savings. This feature shuts off the drive motor automatically after it exits the workpiece, so you can quickly take out and swap the finished part, without needing to turn off the machine manually each time. An additional interesting function for series production is the piece counter. It is capable of counting the drilled holes and providing you with waste information based on the achieved productivity. In addition to the additional functions, you can make basic machine settings in the machine menu. Here, you can see that both the language and the unit can be changed, and you can also check various information like the software version and the operating duration. So that was a brief introduction to our new control panel from the Classic series. I hope I was able to convey all the functions and possibilities to you. If you have questions or ideas, please contact us. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Best wishes from the FLOTT team.